This new AI finds anyone's contact info in seconds. Lessie AI Masterclass. Now, if you've ever spent hundreds of dollars on LinkedIn Premium, Apollo, or other B2B contact databases, you know the frustration. You pay, you search, and half the time the results are absolutely incomplete, outdated, or blocked by gatekeepers. Enter Lessie AI. Now, this is not just a search engine. It's a multi-agent AI system designed to find anyone's verified contact information in the matter of seconds. Not even, when other tools fail. Investors, influencers, potential partners, niche talent, Lessie AI can locate them all, and it does so by scanning over 100 data sources simultaneously. Now, in this video, we're going to break down every feature, every workflow, and every strategy that makes Lessie AI an absolute game changer for entrepreneurs, recruiters, marketers, and sales teams alike. Now, by the end, you'll understand exactly how to leverage it for high value contacts that you could not reach before and how to turn that information into actionable connections. So, the first secret behind Lessie is its ability to go ahead and actually search multiple sources simultaneously. So to get started, you're going to click on start for free on Lessie's very own website. Now over here, you can go ahead and sign up pretty much with anything. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account. And once we've added in our Google account, we're going to hit continue. And once you hit continue from here, we're going to come straight over here. Now, on the free plan, you're going to get 100 credits. And just like this, a text prompt will open up. Now, unlike traditional contact finding tools that actually rely on limited database or a single platform, Lessie AI orchestrates dozens of data streams in parallel. Now, this includes publicly available profiles, professional networks, social media platforms, domain registries, and even obscure business directories. By querying all these sources at once, Lessie AI dramatically increases the likelihood of finding accurate and up to date contact information. No, this is not about scraping randomly, of course, it's about intelligent synthesis. Lessie AI evaluates credibility, cross verifies data, and ranks the results based on reliability. So when you actually get a phone number, email, or even social handle, you can trust it is valid and current. Now, Lessie AI is not one size fits all. Its multi-agent architecture allows you to conduct searches tailored to your goal. So let's say I'm going to come here and write find, let's go with influencers that make content on, let's say, selling or marketing. Let's go with Amazon products. This could be great for your affiliate marketing. So we're simply going to go ahead and write that in. And once that is in, let's go ahead and click on find. Now, once you click on find, as you can see, it's going to start thinking and find all of the necessary users it can to get the search. Now, once it's researched the prompt, it's also going to ask you the amount of people you want. So let's say I want 10 people, right? And let's say the platform I'm looking for is going to be TikTok and Instagram. Okay, you can also go with all platforms if you want to, but obviously go with the one you prefer more. So I'm going to go with TikTok because it's much better, and let's see what it gives us. Now, once our search is complete, as you can see, it has fully matched things. Now, as I told you, it's a multi-agent architecture which allows you to conduct searches across multiple specific platforms. It even asks, are you looking for venture capitalists? Are you trying to find niche influencers? Are you hiring talent that other platforms can't find? Each scenario is obviously treated much differently. Now, the AI agents adjust their search patterns, data sources, and filtering algorithms depending on your target type. This means the results are contextually relevant, not just a random dump of contact info. So, for example, searching for influencers like I did will give you a lot of different profiles, from you could go with Forbes, LinkedIn, TikTok, Insta, YouTube, and so on. And they're going to give you if it's fully matched, if it's partially matched, etc. And even in the fully matched one, you can see if they are Amazon selling, Amazon marketing, Amazon FBA, etc. And what you can do is you can actually go ahead and search their email as well if you want to contact them. How incredible is that? So when it comes to the actual contact section as well, that's pretty incredible. Now, you can also go ahead and check their account out to see if they are exactly what you are. And as you can see, this person is more about teaching Amazon FBA, right? So maybe that is not what I need. What I need is someone who obviously sells things on Amazon. So we have this guy, Travis Marziani. We can go ahead and check his account too. So if these people actually go ahead and sell things, that is obviously incredible for you. So just like this, you could find exactly the right amount of people. Now, finding contact information is only half the battle. The real value comes when you turn contacts into actionable opportunities, right? Now, Lessie allows you to automate outreach sequences based on the contacts it finds. You can draft personalized messages for yourself as well. So let's say you want to write an email, right? So you're going to click compose email. Now it's going to tell you that these are the total credits that it is going to cost. So you can obviously go with a specific amount of people. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and email compose. And obviously that's email going to be composed to all of the sales and partnerships that you have created through Lessie. The AI can also adapt messaging based on the recipient's role and previous interaction. If you have emailed someone before, Lessie AI remembers context and adjusts follow-ups accordingly. Now, this makes communication more intelligent and less spammy, increasing response rates dramatically. Now, one of the most frustrating challenges is outreaching and gatekeepers, assistance filters, and other barriers that prevent you from reaching decision makers much directly and quickly. So, by cross-referencing, you can actually, as I told you, go ahead and search the specific email. And as you can see, the email is in front of you. How incredible is that? Just like this, their email is going to appear online and you can go ahead and work pretty effectively with this. Now, just like this, let's talk strategy. Lessie AI, as you saw, isn't just a tool, it's a connection multiplier. For entrepreneurs, it can accelerate fundraising by pinpointing investors that are genuinely active in your niche. For marketers, it opens doors to micro influencers who can amplify campaigns. For recruiters, it finds talent that traditional platforms miss entirely. Imagine being able to map a network of hundreds of potential partners in minutes. Instead of days or weeks, you can prioritize high-value contacts, sequence your outreach intelligently, and track responses all from a single platform. Now, this is where Lessie AI becomes less about data collections and more about strategic advantage. You're no longer fishing blindly, you're executing targeted campaigns with a lot of precision. Now, to get the most out of Lessie AI's very own plan, it's important to plan your searches strategically. All right. Define your objectives clearly in the chat before querying. Prioritize high value targets and leverage multi scenario search to cover multiple angles simultaneously. Review results carefully and integrate with outreach workflows immediately. The quicker you move from search to action, the more likely you are to generate real world impact from the data. By combining strategy with Lessie AI speed and accuracy, you create a repeatable, scalable process for building high value professional networks. So that is pretty much about it when it comes to Lessie AI. If you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. Till then, that is all from me and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.